In this video, you will learn more about the digital anchor. What are digital anchors? How to create an anchor in your model. How to anchor the model to superimpose it on site. How to anchor your model in mockup mode at any location. An anchor is a digital element that we use to position BIM models in real space. To do this, we must choose a physical reference, such as a corner or a pillar easily accessible in the construction site. Then, we only have to create the anchor in the VT-Platform BIM web viewer on that specific place. Thanks to the digital anchors, we will be able to position the model on top of the construction site, making them coincide exactly, meaning that they are superimposed. We can also position it on any surface, such as a table, to visualize it in mockup mode. How to create an anchor in your model. Firstly, we go to the toolbar and click on the anchor button. Next, we assign it a name and click on Save. The guide you are currently viewing will automatically appear to facilitate its positioning. Moving the mouse, we go to the place where we will place it, and we click. In this way, we will already have the anchor in place. We can click on it and drag it to modify its position. And also move the colored red, blue and green axes to change its orientation. Finally, when we have it placed in the desired position, we click on the Save button next to the Anchor button to save it. We will be able to create as many anchors as we need in the model, even on different floors. How to anchor the model for superimpose it on site. Once inside our project and selected the model we are going to position, we click on the Go to AR button. Followed by the list of all the anchors in the model will appear. We select the one we created earlier, and we click on the Go to AR button again. The digital anchor and a message will immediately appear on the screen, indicating that we must move the device to identify the ground. This step is essential. We must correctly scan the space until the white dots appear. Now, we can spin the anchor with our fingers to position it correctly. As a guide, we can look at the model we see at low opacity. When the anchor is in the right place, we click on the screen to place it. With the tools that appear below, we can move it more precisely if it's necessary, and we can even edit its height and tilt. Finally, we click on Set Digital Anchor, and the model will be linked to the construction site. How to anchor your model in mockup mode anywhere. Once inside our project, and selected the model that we are going to position, we click on the Go to AR button. Then, the list of all the anchors in the model will be displayed. As before, we select the default anchor, and then we click again on the Go to AR button. We scan the surface where we want to place the model, and then we press the screen to position it. Next, we click on the Set Digital Anchor button. In the toolbar, we select the scale. To modify the model or change its size, we can use the arrows that appear on the right, or we can use our fingers by pressing the screen. Now, we can easily visualize the model in mockup mode anywhere we want.